Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 18. So today I'm actually going shopping, and I'll definitely try to record so I can get more content. Like, my video yesterday was 8 minutes, so I'll try and make it a little longer. So maybe I'll record me going shopping, maybe not, I don't know. It just depends on how I'm feeling, but I will try. But forget that, like, I'm over the shopping. But today I'm going to knit, of course, and try to get 40 rounds done. If I got 20 rounds done in a day, like knitting like back to back to back, but I don't know if I can get 40 done, but that's my goal. I'll try and get really close to it. But yeah, 40 rounds today. Hopefully I can finish this sleeve by sometime next week, maybe in like 3 days or something. I'll definitely try and finish in like 3 days because I'm really trying to start on another project. But that is it, so let's get it. Okay guys, I got the 40 rows done. Insanity, I know. But this is where I started today. Like, I started where my stitch marker is and I did all of this today. And this is 6 inches. So I literally knitted 6 inches today, which is insanity. And I only have 7 more inches to go before I finish this sleeve, so I could possibly, no, I will be finishing this no later than Tuesday for sure, because if I can get 40 rounds done tomorrow, then tomorrow Sunday, then Monday I can definitely be finishing up, and then maybe Tuesday I'll be doing like the ribbing or something like that. But that's insanity. Like, literally this much done. Like, I don't think I've ever knitted 6 inches in one day, so I'm really proud of myself. I can't wait to finish this. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on that, and now it is time for you know what. Okay guys, it is advent calendar time. I said calendar weird. It is advent calendar time, and this was yesterday's advent. So I'm guessing today's own is going to be more green, because I think we're going into green, or we might be going lighter. I honestly think we're going greener, but this is day 18. Did I say welcome to day 18 in my intro? Did I even do an intro? I did. Okay, anyway, this is day 18. And let's see. I really feel like it's gonna be green. Like, I feel it in my bones. Okay, it's here. It's here. I guess this is day 18. I would not have guessed that whatsoever, like at all. But it's pretty. It's really pretty. I just did not. I wouldn't have guessed it would have gone this way. Why is this not working with me? Okay. I mean, it goes like nicely, but I just didn't expect it to be this color at all. I really thought we were going green, but it's really pretty. Like, I like it. It's nice. Again, I can't wait to work with all of these anyway, so at this point, I don't really care. But let me show you guys how the fade looks. Okay guys, so this is how the fade looks. I really thought this would be green because of this, but that's how it looks close up. Really pretty. And then that's them all together. So beautiful. But anyway, that is all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you be notified whenever I post another video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.